联合国大会总辩论包括巴拉圭、瓜地马拉、诺鲁等等11个友邦，是拢表态甲咱台湾相挺，而且嘛有真侪国家对台海的和平稳定表示关心。
It is long overdue for the Republic of China Taiwan to be brought in from the diplomatic cold. Taiwan's quest for participation in relevant specialized agencies of the United Nations is reasonable and ought to be accommodated.
两个友邦沈文森替台湾抱不平，呼吁联合国接纳台湾。圣卢西亚总理共款伫演讲中呼吁台湾人民爱护自国权。图瓦卢总理是提出联合国宪章内面的包容原则，确保全世界所有人的参与，也包括台湾人民在内。
The people of the Republic of China on Taiwan should be allowed the continued enjoyment of their right to self-determination and the exercise of their democratic freedoms without threats to their autonomy.
We must make the necessary arrangement for Taiwan to meaningfully participate in relevant UN specialized agencies and mechanisms.
第78届联合国大会总辩论进行到第5天，两国友邦包括进行发言的诺鲁、瓜地马拉、巴拉圭等，总共11个国家为台湾发声，立变顶一届纪录。更加有真侪国家关心台海和平稳定。不过，咱的友邦海地发言时阵，并无讲到台湾，已经是连续2年无伫咧连台辩论讲到台湾。
We urge for peace in that region of the world, as war would result in severe consequences for all of us.
台湾争取加入联合国的机会，不过中国也是继续打压。中国国家主席习近平伫咧接见访问中国的叙利亚总统阿塞德，并且签署战略伙伴关系联合声明。其中第1条就表示，承认台湾是中国不可分割一部分，强调支持一中原则。咱外交部严正驳斥这种言论含糊不实，并且严厉谴责中国一再贬损台湾的主权，一个叙利亚支持中共的立场。记者综合报道。